Welcome back, guys, and I'm welcoming you to the full stack web application of movie booking demo. Okay, so you can see this project is primarily made up of React, Spring Boot, MySQL for the database, and Redux toolkit for the state management. It has micro interactions integrated using the Framer motion library of the React, and also dynamic charts, real-time notifications, AI chatbot, and much more JWT authentication. So you can see the beautiful UI, and we can log in as a as it has a role-based authentication. And in the sign up page we can also log in from the OTP, guys, which is integrated using simple mail transfer protocol. And here in the sign up page we can register the user as a customer, theater owner, and administrator, aka admin, guys. But not just admin, we are having the theater owner who is super admin, guys. Super admins can manage all the admins. I will show you afterwards, okay, in this demo. And in the sign up page we have to leave this constraint, and fulfilling this constraint will only allow us to sign in this web application. In the sign in now means we can log in as a four types of different users, but right now we are logging as a customer. And let's click on sign in, and here we go, guys. The beautiful dashboard of the customer has just came up. So it is welcoming us the greeting. Then we are having the browse movies, find theaters, my bookings, profile, and all. And we are having also a drop down list of all of these things as well, the profile and all. And we are gonna get all our movies listed down here in this page. Okay, guys, so as a customer I can see all of these things. Okay, all of these things are visible to me, and you can see all the cards of the components of React, the movies you can see, and we can book now the movies. Okay, guys, from this dashboard of the cus- customer, and you can see genre. We can choose and filter the movies on the basis of their genres, like sci-fi movies, drama movies, action movies, crime movies, and if you look at science fiction movies, it is giving us Inception. So it is a sci-fi movie, guys. When we click on the details, we can see a little bit details about these movies, which is for the demo purpose. But you can see the sci-fi movie category, and it is of duration, and active means its status is active. We can book this movie right now, and we can see there are a couple of options of the genres on each component and card of the movie. And you can see month monthly or movie available, and active theaters. Five active theaters are currently we are having, and movie genres four. Okay, guys, now you have to check here that in when you navigate to the movies section, we can filter out on the basis of the cities provided. So we can filter out on the basis of Pune or Mumbai, guys. And when you click on the Pune, we can see the different movies or theaters present in that particular city. And here we can see the theaters of all the theaters are listed down here, and we are having a lot of theaters. And you can check, you can see one thing, that all the theaters are described very well, and they are very described. We can click on the theaters and we can actually see how many theaters are present, and we can, as a customer, we can book the movie from that particular theater, guys. And we can see our partner theaters can get a lot of premium facility in this web application. Okay, guys. And my booking section, you can see the past tickets booked and the cancelled, confirmed and pending theater, all the movies which was booked by the uh, customer. Okay, so the Dark Knight is actually, but till now we haven't completed any movie, so it is giving us none of the movies completed till now. And we can see a lot of movies are confirmed, and the most brilliant thing is all the book theaters and movies, we can get their notification on our mail. Okay, so that is the very good thing. Now I am trying to book the Dark Knight movie, and we will choose the number of seats. Let it be 10 seats we want to, and the price will be 200, and movie booked successfully. Okay, guys. And the most important thing, we will get a real time notification about it. And in the my booking section, the newly added movie, and we will cancel it. Okay, for the purpose of showing how we can cancel the movie as well. And in the notification tab, we can see booking confirmed for the Dark Knight for 10 seats. It is a real time notification, guys, and we will get it on our mail as well. Okay, we can actually mark read this notification as well, and we can see it is a real time notification. Just now we did, we can click mark read to mark it read, and we can see we will get the timestamp and the date as well with the booking. Okay, and we can see all the past notification of the bookings, and we will go to the analytics tab. Here we will see all the money spent and total bookings done by us, and on the basis of past uh, like usage, it will show us the favorite theater as well. Okay, recent bookings and all. Okay, so this is very good, and we can see the dashboard of the customer again. And here we go, we are having a live chatbot support. Okay, so the chatbot can take our request in the form of text as well. Okay, and here we go, I just entered the speech, and it has generated the text. So let's send the text to the chatbot, and it will give us the response. Okay. Okay, so here we are getting the response from the chatbot that we are currently having 9 movies active, and the user means we as a customer can book the movies. Okay, 9 movies we are having in the option. So we can read all the notifications, and we can go back, and now we will sign out to log in as a theater owner, guys. We can log in as a theater owner by actually embedding all of its credentials into the login page, and let's sign in. And here we go, we are logged in as a theater owner, and we are on the theater owner dashboard right now, and we can see the recent activity by the customer in our theater. We can see the new movie confirmed and all, and we are also having a chatbot which is specially designed for the theater owner, guys. So theater owner is also having the chatbot, and they can also include and improve their like performance by using the chatbot. And we are having my theaters option, and here in this section we can see all of our theaters listed down here. We can view those theaters or edit those theaters or deactivate those theaters. Okay, right now I'm viewing this theater, and we will get all its information like theater information, address, total screens, phone number, email, and created at and theater ID, which is and the most important thing, which is approved. So who will approve these theaters? So guys, admin will approve all of these theaters. If admin doesn't approve our theater, we can't use it in this web application for actually posting our movies or doing the schedules of movie in that particular theater. So getting approval from the admin is really really important for the theater owner to actually use their theater in this web application. Okay, so let's go back and we can deactivate the theater as well, and we can edit the theater as well, and you can see the theater update is successful. Let's update once more, and now what we will do here is we will change Mumbai to IMAX Pune, guys. So let's do that, and let me see. Yes, we can see it is updated. It has turned from IMAX Mumbai to IMAX Pune, guys. And now we can delete the theater as well, but we are not gonna do that. But we can see add a new theater as well. So let's add any new theater, and we are adding IMAX Mumbai, which we just recently changed into IMAX Pune. But let's add the address as the other guys. So this theater is present inside the Mumbai. Okay. So let's choose the state, but it is having little bit okay, not Indian states. That is perfectly fine unless and until it is working fine. Okay, description, we can add our description and create theater, and let's go guys, the theater is created successfully and it is working condition, but it needs approval from the admin. Once and all the approval is fetched, we can use this theater for the booking purpose for our movies, okay, as a theater owner. So let's see how can we get the approval from the admin guys. And here we are having the search button, a search bar for each of the theater. Let's add the mum, and we can see all of the two theaters from the Mumbai side is coming. But why it is coming? Because city is Mumbai, okay, because let's change it to Pune again, okay, so now it will not come, okay, because its city is not Mumbai anymore, okay, so this is a very good search bar, okay, advanced searching and all, so we can do that, and here we go. We can also see our all the movies listed down here. As a theater owner, we can see the Avengers Endgame, The Matrix, Joker, Avatar, and Inception, The Dark Knight. All of these movies are listed down here, and the timing and everything about it. And let's go to the schedule tab. This section is very important for the theater owner because here we will do the shows. Okay, all the shows will we can list down here. Means look at this show, The Dark Knight, active August 34 guys, and 98 out of 100 seats available, and the token ticket price and all we can see, and we can deactivate this uh, deactivate the show, so show will never gonna shown to the customer again, so we can use the deactivate button for this purpose. Okay, and we can edit our schedule. Okay, let me choose the 6th date, so let's update it, and here we go, the schedule is updated successfully guys without any hesitation. It is so flawless, you can see that. Okay, all of our shows in the daytime and all, we can choose the theater. Okay, this theater was just created, that's why it was not showing, but in this theater we are having one movie, and we can filter out them. Now we can see our analytics page. As a theater owner, all the movies booked by the customer and how is the performance of each of these theaters we can easily see here. Okay, and our everything, and we can see the notification. So if you remember guys, in the customer dashboard we had just booked one movie and we can see its booking confirmed in that particular respective theater owner. Okay, the theater owner got the notification, and not just here guys, we will get the notification for the theater owner in their email as well, that this particular customer has booked this movie for that particular show. Okay, so this is very good thing. And we are having the chatbot for specially designed for the theater owner as well. Okay, so that is very nice thing. And let's sign out as a theater owner now, and to come inside login of the admin guys, and he is the very important entity in our web application. Let's sign in as an admin, and we will get into the dashboard of the admin, which is very very beautiful. So let's go and log in as an admin. Okay guys, so welcome to MovieHub admin. Okay, so we are logging as an admin now. The admin can see all of the theaters. He can approve the theaters, and he can also delete those theaters. He can access all the users of the web application. We can get, we can see all of our, we can see here the admin dashboard. We are having all of the users right down here, and we can see that we are having all the movies, and we are having the control over the movies. Like when we see this movie the Matrix, so we can see we are having the all the details about this movie, like movie information, and we can update this movie, okay, without any hesitation. Okay, we can like change the theater of this movie as well. So this is very good thing. And let me see. Okay, let's go guys, we are have updated the movie information. So let's go back and see, uh, and we can see the movie information is updated successfully without any problem. We can also delete the movie. Okay, we can completely delete that particular movie from our web application.
to
Okay, so
theaters.
once
Okay,
we will delete that movie,
so in the
it will
theater
not gonna
we are
shown to
having
the theater
our
owners,
all the
neither or
theaters
nor
present
to the
over here. We
customers.
can
Okay,
delete them.
and
Yeah,
we
one
can
thing I told
go
you
to the
before,
theaters tab.
that when we add
And
new theater
okay, if you
in the
remember,
theater
in the
owner
theater,
dashboard,
when
we
we
should
were
upload
creating
it
a new
by
theater,
the
we were
admin. So
having
we
the
can see
option of
here our newly
pending
created theater.
approval. So
So shall
the
we
owner,
upload it? So
sorry,
let's
the
approve
admin
it.
is
And
having
here we
the
go.
right to
The
approve the
the
theater, and he
theater
has
IMAX
approved this
Mumbai
theater.
is
Okay,
approved by the
IMAX
admin.
Mumbai
So
has
now
approved,
this
and
theater
now
can be
this
used
theater can
for
use for booking the
scheduling movies. Okay,
movies
and
and
the
creating the
customer can
shows for
only
the movies by the
book
theater
their
owner.
tickets
Okay,
from the
once it
approved
is
theaters.
approved by the
So yeah, this
admin
will be
guys,
nice.
and
And this is the
we
theater
can go
information
back
and
to
all.
the theater,
Okay,
and
the
let's
ID,
see
theater
what is the
ID and all.
status and everything
All
about
movies
this theater.
currently showing at this
And this
theater we
theater
can see as
is
well. Yeah, but I
having
don't think we are
a,
having any movie. Okay,
ID
we are
of
showing
6
this
and all.
theater. So
And we
yeah,
have
shows
like
active
we
only.
can
Okay, we
see
can
edit options for
filter
that
on the
particular
basis of
theater,
genre
and we
and
can
all. So
filter out
okay, let's
the
filter on
movies
the
on
basis
the
of
basis
sci-fi.
of their
And here we go,
genre.
Inception. We are
Like
having
the
one movie.
sci-fi movie which is
Okay,
present in this
let's
web
go to the
application
user tab.
is
Okay,
Inception
all the
guys,
users we are
and
having
the
in this
Inception is
web
only sci-fi
application
movie,
are listed
and
down
we
in
can
the
see the
admin panel
users of
in
this web
this section.
application. The
Okay,
admin can
okay, we can see
few
here
details of
one
the
more,
users. He
the
can
king
edit
of
the
this
details of the
website.
user
Okay, the
and
super
delete that
admin. Okay,
particular
we
users
can
from this web
symbolize him
application
as a
guys.
crown,
And
means he
we
is a
can see
king.
one more
And
user. Who
second,
is
on the
that
second
user?
place we are
Super
having
admin. We
our
haven't
admins,
seen his
boys admins,
functionality, but I
and we
will
are
show
currently
you
having two
afterwards.
admins, but
And
we
we
can
can
see
see all
one
other
admin
users,
is
and we can
inactive.
see one
Why
more
he is
admin,
inactive?
but he is
Because
inactive
of
guys.
super admin,
So
guys.
what do you
Super
think, who
admin
made
have
him
power
inactive? So
to make
super
any
admin having
admin
the
inactive.
power to
So you
make
can
the
understand the
admin
power of super
inactive
admin,
guys.
guys.
The admin
The
can
admin
delete the
can, what
theaters
admin
or
can do?
movie,
Admin can
but
approve
we can make
big theater,
the
okay,
admin
we can
inactive
delete
by the
one big theater,
super
and
admin.
that
Okay, the
admin
super
can
admin can make
delete
the
the
admin
users as
inactive.
well,
So
okay.
let's go
Okay,
and
we can't
see
delete super
what
admin,
we
but
can
we
do
can
with the
delete the
admin
theater
much
owners
more.
and all
Okay,
as well. But
so we can see
super
all of
admin
the
can
users
make
and
any
which are
admin
listed down
inactive,
here,
guys.
and we are
Okay,
having
here
one
we are
super
having the
admin, and
example.
right now one
So
admin is
yeah,
inactive.
here we
So
go.
we will
And I
have
need the
to
password and all
do something,
as well.
and
Okay,
let's
and
the other
everything like that.
admin,
So
what we can do, the
um,
change, the
so
admin can
let's
change
go and
the
see what we
uh,
can do.
like
Okay, let's
user
search
type
on the
of the
super
other admin
admin
as well,
users.
so that is
So
also important, and we
as
are
we can
having the
see that
super
super
admin
admin is coming. Okay,
listed
so
down
it is
here,
working
and he is
perfectly
having
fine.
all the
Let's
powers.
sign out
So
from here
let's
and
go
let's
to
log in
super
as a super
admin
admin,
tab,
guys.
guys.
Very
So super
interesting.
admin
Let's
tab,
sign in.
we will
Okay,
be logging
now
in
guys,
as a
we
super
are in
admin
the
now,
super
and let's
admin
go.
dashboard,
The
and the
super
first thing
admin
we can see
dashboard
here,
is
the total
here,
admin,
and we
because the
have
main
login as
work
a
of
super
super
admin,
admin
and we
is to
can see
manage
the
the
total
admins
admins of
themselves.
this
Okay, so
application. So
we are
the
having
main
manage
work of the
admins. Go
super
to analytics.
admin
We
is
can
to
see
manage
the
all the
analytics of
admins
each and every
present in the
application. I
web
will show you
application.
that is the
So
secondary most
we
important
can
feature
see
of the
the
super
go to
admin dashboard.
analytics
And
button
one more
and
features we are
system
having of the
overview,
super admin
the
dashboard
manage
is the
admins tab.
AI chatbot,
Everything
guys.
is
We are
having,
having
we are
the
having
AI
in the
bot,
dashboard, and
AI
also
based chatbot
we
for
are
the super
having
admin as
a,
well. Let's
a
ask him
chatbot
a question. Okay,
who is specially designed
how
for the
many
super admin,
admins
guys.
are
So
in
we
this
will
website?
ask him a question
Okay,
afterwards,
let's go, guys. We are
and
having a
he will
question just
answer. But
from the
right now we
speech.
are asking
And let's send
how
it.
many admins
He's
are
thinking,
there on this
guys. Let's
website.
see.
So
Is it
let's, it
able
is
to give the
thinking
correct
right now,
answer?
There are two
And
and
admins.
let's
wow,
see,
Smiling
is
guys.
it
face
able
with
to give a
smiling eyes
correct
thumbs
answer?
up.
Not
You can see
okay,
how
guys.
powerful this
So we are
chatbot is.
having
It
a
has
correct
searched into the
option
database
answered
and
as a two
fetched the
admins.
information,
So
and
we are
he
also having
actually
two admins in this
talked to
web
us as well. Okay,
application.
there are two
So that is
admins. He was
really
thinking,
really nice
and
about
it
this chatbot.
came
It
up
is
with the
so
correct answer.
precise and
So this is
working
very
really
good.
well.
Okay,
Okay,
so it was
so
special
let's close
chatbot
it, and
designed for the
let's
super
go to the
admin, guys. So
let's
let's
go
go
to
to
different
admin
tab,
management now,
and we
and
will
we are
go
in
to
the
the
admin.
admin
Okay, so
management tab,
and
guys.
here we can see
And in this
timestamp
tab we will
reactivity.
see
Okay, I, we
how
don't
we
want
will
this.
manage
So how
each and
can we
every admin. So all the
do this?
functionality
Okay,
of the
here
admin
we
will be
having it.
restricted
Okay,
once it
so
will become
let's close it,
inactive. And who
and
will
you
make
can
them
see here we
inactive?
go.
The super
So this
admin
was the
can make
admin who
any
was
admin
inactive. Shall
inactive,
we
guys.
activate him?
So
Okay,
we are
so let's
having
activate
one
him.
more
And
option of
you can see user activated
activate. Okay,
successfully. But I want to
so
ask the
now this
chatbot
admin
how many
is
activated
activated,
admins are
so
we
it
are
is in
having. Okay, let's
activate
ask him.
mode. We can
Okay, let's
deactivate
ask
him
him
as
without
well.
typing.
Okay,
Thumbs
Okay,
up.
so
let's
we can
activate
ask
this
the
admin
chatbot
again. Okay,
like
let's go to
questions
his
of
system
all
view,
the admins
and nothing
regarding all
special
the
out here.
admins.
But the
Okay,
most
let's make
important,
him
go
active
to
again,
analytics,
and
and here
let's
we
go
go,
to
guys. This
our
is the most
analytics
beautiful
tab, and
and
you can see,
powerful
guys, how
features
beautiful
of
graphs
admin,
and
super admin
pie
dashboard.
charts we
Look
are
at this,
having
guys, how beautiful
uh,
the
in
charts
this
and pie charts
section.
are
Okay,
coming.
you can
On
see
this
all
graph,
the
we can
details
see
in the
all the
analytics.
movies on the
Okay,
basis of
and in
their
the graph form
performance,
we are
and
having
the
all the
theater,
information.
guys,
And
theater
super
revenue.
admin,
The
one
theater
and
is
only
having how
super
much
admin
revenue,
can
and the
access all
graph.
of this
Okay,
high
4
tech
5 becomes
functionality of
till the
entire
date
web
we can see
application,
from this
guys.
chart,
So
and everything is
this is
looking
the
so good.
very beautiful
Yeah,
thing, and you
everything
can
is
see
real time,
the
guys. Six
everything is looking
cancellations
so good
and all.
and
We can
great, and it
download
is
a
real
daily
time.
PDF as well.
Once
Okay,
any changes
last 7
happen
days
in
we
this
can
web
see as well. Okay,
application,
so
it
we
will
can
get
see here the
reflected
chart
down here as well.
and pie
Okay,
chart for
and we
the
can download the
last seven
report
days is
of this
different from the
dashboard
different
and
from the other
analytics as
chart.
well.
Okay,
Okay,
last 90
so
days,
this
guys.
is also
So I
a
think
very
it
good
will not give
functionality,
any difference.
especially
Okay, let's
dedicated to
download
the
the
super
daily
admin,
chart.
guys.
Go to
And super
sign
admin
out.
can
Okay,
access all of this
let's go to
functionality,
sign out, and
not
after that
admin, nor
let's
customer,
try
nor theater
something.
owner. Okay, only super
So here,
admin.
okay,
Now
let's
we
go to
will
admin,
log in
and
as a admin, or let's log in as a admin now to see any changes we can see in this web application after some of the changes done by the super admin. So let's go to the theaters or the users tab. So to see, okay, let's go to the user tab on, and the most important thing, the admin is not having the power to control the behavior of the super admin guys, so he can't edit the super admin, but he can edit all of others users. Okay, so all of the other users are managed by the admin but not the super admin. So now we are creating a new user, so let's call him Mahesh, and we are creating a new user, and let's see the Mahesh Sharma we are creating, and we will give his email as mahesh@gmail.com, and we will enter our password for that particular user, and let's give him the role of admin guys. So let's go, we are having a new admin here. So new admin is created named as Mahesh Sharma, and we can see all the details of this uh, like admin. Let's log in as a super admin guys, and in the super admin we can see the new number, and we are having three admins, and we will delete one admin from here. Okay, and we can see the real-time notification, and okay, now we can see a new graph is coming, and in this graph we can see all of these things like cancelled cancelled bookings, completed bookings, and pending bookings. Okay, about this web application. So this is very good functionality we have integrated in our super admin dashboard. So super admin dashboard is even more advanced right now. Okay, so we can see all the movies and their performances and all the revenue, and we can generate a PDF of the report as well. And we are having a chatbot, a AI chatbot support for the super admin guys. And coming back to our uh, we are coming back to our customer page, and let's make a booking. Okay, and we have done the booking, and we can get the notifications as well, and let's log in as a customer again. Okay, and we can see all of our bookings, and we can see the notifications as well. Okay, and the most important thing is we can choose any of the theater for the purpose of booking guys. So in the analytics and my booking section, we will see the information of our budget and all. Okay guys, in the movie section we can see all of movies listed which are looking really great, and we can add as many movies for the customer, and customer can see all of these movies and book the shows in the validated theaters as well. Okay, so let's go back to the VS Code where this entire source code of this web application is present. If anyone wants to get inspiration or use the source code, they can purchase the source code on 99 rupees. The prices and the source code is will be in the description.